Hello and welcome back to In Tune with TEU. This is Azeem Subhani, CEO of TEU Global. Today's video is about the tariff changes we were anticipating in July 2026. Remember that when the current tariff increase, which is 10%, came into effect, it had a life of 150 days, which is expiring in a few days. What we are anticipating now is that it's going to be replaced by the 301 tariff system, which is going to implement a 10% for a few countries and the remaining countries to be 12.5%. In terms of the costing, there's not going to be any major difference. However, proper investigation would reveal which countries would get 10% and the others will get 12.5%. And mostly it'll be based on the forced labor and related investigations against each country and not specific to an importer and their practices. We would urge you to look at your declarations with U.S. Customs and make sure that this is factored in. These percentages are factored in place of the current tariff regime. So let's talk about the timeline of this. The timeline is expiring on the 24th of July. And before that, you will have a whole slew of different messages from U.S. Customs about the replacement tariff amounts for each country. We will be sharing them with you. If you are our customer for your imports, it's automatic. We'll be advising you. And if you're not, you can sign on to imports at teuinc.com. The email will pop up at the bottom of the screen. The other item that needs to be conveyed to the general population is that the two countries that we had mentioned previously that are being investigated are Brazil and Vietnam. And Brazil has already received a 25% additional tariff under this investigation starting from 22nd of July 2026. Vietnam, on the other hand, has not been decided because there are some issues there. Transshipment is one of the issues, and we'll see how that goes. We'll be updating you as soon as that becomes clear, but within July, we're expecting some changes to occur. Most of the other origins, including China, are not anticipating a major change within July. And if there was any other investigation, we'll be updating you for sure. Reach out to us if you have any questions. TEU is ready to help you with your strategy. We are working with several customers, several large suppliers from overseas who are concerned about their tariff strategy. And we are able to help them with mitigating the circumstances and getting exemptions if we can. Looking forward to working with you, and take care.